First of all, the EPAC TV News welcomes.
Lilong Usoipokpi the leiba MD Nashir Ahmed Aboton hairi khangdana muhaki yum yaona Dukan mafam khangdana hourakhiba meina tumna chakhiduna Lupa Lakh Lomgi changsing Oot Onkhre hairi. Hiram masigi matangda MD Nashir Ahmed ki pokminaba mayamba MD Nashir Ahmed na hai ngarang numidang pung 8 makhairam taba matamda khanghaudana mei hourakhi. Ramazan gi lai khurumdaringi matam oibagi mi amata leitaba matam oikhibana yumma madi dukan singa de punna tumna chakhibani. Mei chakhiba sida prefabricated steel house, furniture items sing, electrical equipment sing, kitchen items sing, grocery items sing, cosmetic items sing, cloth items sing amadi sale oina Lupa Lakh amaga makhairam yaona punna Lupa Lakh Lomgi oigedaba property sing tumna chakhibani. Maram masina hiram masigi matangda laingak na akhanaba mityang changbiduna pangba yaba mateng pangbiyo haibu wafamsu MD Nashir Ahmed na EPAC TV News ki khutangda phongdorakhi.
Ngarang nongmaijing numidangi pung 3 makhai tarakpa doida Lilong Usoipokpi da leiba aigi inaupa Muhammad Nashir Ahmed Aboton haina khangnaba mahagi jungga dukan ga punna leiba meina tumna chakhre masigi dukala sida thamba posai sing de cosmetic ki posai sing amasung galaman ki posai sing ne masida ki posai sing mamansi chawrak na Lupa Lakh ki oigani masi sarkarna atu tangmingan sangbiraga embiraga chana sai ki mateng pambinaba alla halla haiba.
Natra.
Ganti tangkai tai.
तो पचास सौ थी कंदे
Baksi ki paisa kamai to bono.
बक्सी दगी लुकुमदा फरकारी दा मबाव खा थंबलो यावरे अदो
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯍꯤꯡ Nashir Ahmed Aboton khangdana Lilong Usoipokpi ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯁꯤ ꯇꯥꯡ 13ꯀꯤ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯗꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯡ 8 ꯃꯈꯥꯏ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯅꯃꯥꯖ ꯎꯟꯕ ꯆꯠꯂꯤꯉꯩꯗ ꯆꯥꯛꯑꯒ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯦ. ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯊꯝꯖꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯤ ꯀꯣꯁꯃꯦꯇꯤꯛꯀꯤ groceryga hotel macha amasu yaujai. Aina halakpa matamda saaga leiramme kari amata lauba yadre chaurangna Lupa Lakh 13 ki oigani aigi sakiba pochingsi mari leinaba sarkarna miyeng changsingbi.
The EPAC Group of News was set up on 7th July 2017 as a news networking body. Now it completes 7 years in service. Under the aegis of EPAC Group of News, one news networking YouTube channel and Facebook page called EPAC TV News has been set up in the year 2021. It is providing news throughout the world day and night. Saidur Maibam is the managing director, editor of the EPAC TV News. He is young and talented journalist of Manipur. Under his guidance, news updates are being disseminated all over the world. Both YouTube channel and Facebook page of the EPAC TV News becomes a successful news channel. It is due the full cooperation of the people. The news channel seeks support of the people. People may subscribe, like, share, and follow it, so that it can serve the people further. The EPAC TV News. Once again, thanks the supporters.